next class. Okay, today we explain the using subtraction to find the missing number in addition. So in addition one number is missing, that is we verify that by using subtraction. Okay, we find out that number by using subtraction. Okay children, the related sums are in exercise 4.2. okay, see here, find the missing numbers. See, given one number plus dash is equal to answer. Okay, so now we'll write here what is the second number. What is the second number? By using subtraction you find out that number. Which way? I explain that now. See now, 8 plus dash is equal to 16 is the question. Okay, given sum is 8 plus dash is equal to 16. So first you take the 16. First you take the 16. So you take the answer first. You take the answer. Okay children, and write down in addition first number. What is that? 8. So 8 will be right. Take the first 16 answer, and in the question what is that given number here? First number, second number is, and find out what is the first number here? 8. So write that 8. So these two numbers will be now do the subtraction. Subtraction symbol is minus. Okay, subtraction symbol is minus. So we will do the subtraction. We will find out the second number. So do the subtraction with regrouping. 6 minus 8 is possible children? No, not possible. So this 6 is taking the borrowing from one number, that means 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, so this is cross out only 1. This one already given the borrowing to one number to this 6. So only 1 is closest, remaining 0 is there. So now 8 after 16 will becomes, close your fingers and count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many numbers are open fingers here? 8 fingers. So write here 8. So what is the second number now? This is the second number. Okay, this is the second number 8. So now we'll check the addition. Write the answer 8 and write the second number directly 8. Do the addition here. 8 keep in your mind, take 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So becomes the answer is 16 or not children? Yes, becomes the answer is 16. So second number is 8. First number is also 8. Second number is also becomes the 8. So adding these two numbers, 16 is the correct answer. So we will do the subtraction. By using subtraction, in addition what is the second number we will find out. Okay children, first one is completed. Now we will see the second one. See here, 9 plus dash is equal to 13. 9 plus dash is equal to 13. So what is the first number we will write now? Say 13. Answer 13 is the right here. What is the now second number right? 9. So do the addition or subtraction? By using subtraction. So we will do the subtraction, symbol is minus there. So we will do the subtraction. So 3 minus 9 is possible. First one terms, write the second one, note the question and write this method also. Okay, write this method also. And in your textbooks only write the answers only, fill the blanks only. But in your notebooks totally note this one. Okay children? Already explained that first and second sums. Now third sum. Okay children? 14 plus dash is equal to 26 is the given answer. So 14 is the first number. We'll find out the second number, but becomes the answer is 26. So now we'll find out what is this missing number. So what is that way? Which way we'll find out that? Say what is the first number we'll write here? Answer 26. So you'll write first 26. And what is the second number we'll write children? First number 14. So 14 here we'll write. So 14. We'll do the addition or subtraction children. Subtraction. What is the symbol subtraction? Minus. Okay. Now 6 minus 4. This is the borrowing sum? No. Why? In upper side given the big number, in downside given the small number. So this is the correct. So don't borrowing sum with this one. Not the regrouping sum. Only normal subtraction without regrouping. Okay children? So take 6 fingers. What is the second number here? 4. So close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining only how many fingers children? Count. 1, 2. Only 2 fingers will be remaining there. So write here 2. Okay. This line is completed. One line is completed. Now 10th line. Okay. This is the 1st line. This is the 10th line. So now we'll do 10th line subtraction. Take how many fingers? First number? 2. How many fingers close the second number? 1. So remaining only 1 finger. So write here 2. 1, 2, 12. Okay children? First number is 14. What is the second number? We'll find out now. 12. So this is 12 is the answer. So now we'll check that one. Write this answer in 12 and given the 14 is also will be right. Given number and becomes the answer number will be right. And do the addition but these two numbers. We'll do the addition these two numbers. 2 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 2 after count. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. Then after 2. So 26 is same or not children? In the given sum answer, we will do the sum answer is 26 is correct? Yes, same. So here 12 is the second number is also correct. Okay children? Now see the fourth sum. 27 plus dash is equal to 53. So what is the first number we'll write down? First 53. So write here 53. And we'll write the second number is given number in the addition first number is 27. So we'll do the subtraction or addition children? Addition? No, subtraction. So subtraction symbol is minus. Now 3 minus 7 is In